Hey beautiful friend, I hope my friend you all are very good. And today we are going to enable buy one get one free, buy two get one free, buy three get one free, whatever you can enable with the help of plugin. So let's go ahead and simply I'll go on my website Biryani Engineer wrs.com. It's a website for my client. Then I'll go on the plugin section. That website is made on WordPress. Simply I'll go for plugin. Okay, add new plugin. Yeah, then after that I'll search for BOGO, BOGO. It's a plugin, really it's very awesome. Okay, then I'll search for my favorite BOGO. Where is it? Is here. Install now, and then let it install, guys. Then after that activate it. It's activating. Maybe it can take some time, but thank God it's okay. Yeah, see that option is here. I want to show you something, like when I was using first time that plugin. So what I did mistake, I just make it deactivate mode. So don't do that. Just activate that one, and after that you can make it buy 3 get 1 free, buy 4 get 1 free, buy 1 get 1 free, or buy 2 get 1 free. For me buy 2 get 1 free is perfect. Then I'll just make it buy 2 get 1 free and leave all the options. Then go on the save changes. Okay, yeah, I make it save changes. And after the next step is just go on your product section, then make it all product, and I want to enable that option on chicken lollipop. Okay, then I'll just make edit, and after that I'll just go on the BOGO option. What I did, I just go on the product option, then chicken lollipop. Then after that scroll down, and here is the BOGO option. I'll click on the BOGO option and enable it. See, I just make it enable, so I can use that offer here. And then after that update. So let's do experiment, it's working or no. I'll go on another browser, then search for the biryani.com. Okay, here it is. I'll click that one, and after that what is it? Chicken lollipop, right? Okay, I'll search for the chicken lollipop. Where is the lollipop? Is here. Yes, I'll click that one, select option, and I want to buy 2. Okay, and size is full, add to cart. See, buy 2 get 1 free. I hope you can see that option, buy 2 get 1 free. So it's successfully enabled. So thank you so much guys, and I hope that video is useful for you. So take care and good night.